Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today class question number 10. Let A equal to real number minus 3 and B equal to real numbers minus 1. Consider the function f such that A to B defined by f of x equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 is function 1 1 and on 2. You have to show that it is an 1 1 and on 2. If it is satisfy both 1 1 and on 2, therefore here it is an bijective function. Okay, justify your answer. Okay, question number 10. A equal to real numbers minus 3 का मतलब here in the function A real number I am taking minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, but I should not take plus 3. I want to take 4. Okay, because real numbers minus 3 you have to subtract the 3. Okay, you should not include this number. Okay, next in B, in set B, same real number B equal to real numbers minus 1. Okay, का मतलब here you should subtract this one. Okay, you should eliminate this one. Okay, if I eliminate remainder minus 3, I can write minus 2, minus 1, 0, but I should not write 1 because 1 is eliminated. Okay, therefore 2 and 3. Okay, next given f of x equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Okay, for checking whether it is an 1 1 function or not, for one word you can directly check whether checking by domain. Okay, domain, codomain. Okay, for one more question, okay, you can directly check domain. If every element has its own image, then it is an 1 1 function. Okay, for 1 1 domain, okay, you have to check the domain. For on to you have to check codomain. Okay, in codomain every image should have its own pre-image. Okay, then it is onto function. Okay, but here it is 4 more question. Okay, here you cannot directly tell by checking the domain. Okay, here you have to check whether x1 equal to x2. Okay, first I am taking function x1 equal to x1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus 3. Okay, next x2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 3. Here we should equal x1 and x2, therefore here I am taking f of x1 equal to f of x2. Therefore here x1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus 3 equal to x2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 3. Okay, here we should cross multiple. Okay, if I cross multiple x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3, okay, equal to x2 minus 2, here it will come to here numerator. Okay, x1 minus 3. Therefore you have to multiple like this. Okay, x1 into x2, therefore x1 x2. Again here it is plus into minus, plus into minus, minus 3 into x1, 3 x1. Again here minus into plus, minus into plus, minus 2 x2. Here minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Again equal to. Now here x1 x2. Okay, see here x1 x2. Again here like this. Therefore x1 x2, here plus, here minus, plus into minus, minus 3 x2. Again here minus, here plus, minus into plus, minus 2 x1. Again last minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. In equal to, the same terms can be cancel each other. Okay, then here also x1 x2, here also x1 x2, so that here I am cancelling, here also plus 6, here also plus 6. Okay, I am cancelling each other. Next, taking minus as common, 3x1 plus 2x2. Again here also I am taking minus as common, 3x2 plus 2x1. Therefore here also in equal to, the same terms can be cancel each other. Here the same terms minus and minus cancel each other. Therefore here I am taking x1 x2. Okay, 3x1 equal to 3x2. Okay, I am equaling this two. Okay, therefore 3 and 3 cancelling. Finally x1 equal to x2. Okay, if you want you can take this also, 2x2 equal to 2x1. Here also same terms cancel each other, plus 2 plus 2. Therefore here x2 equal to x1. Therefore finally you should write it is an 1 function. Okay, here it is satisfying, therefore it is 1 function. Okay, next checking onto function. Okay, for onto you have to take f of x equal to y. Here y equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Okay, I am cross multiplying. Okay, therefore y into x minus 3 equal to x minus 2. Here you have to multiply like this, x y minus 3y equal to x minus 2. Now you have to take x in one side. Okay, therefore x y minus x. Okay, remaining terms should be in the right hand side. Okay, above here minus 3y, minus 3y will come to right hand side, minus will becomes plus 3y. Okay, now this minus 2 will be kept here only. Next, taking x as common, remainder y minus 1. Here 3y minus 2. Therefore x equal to 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. Okay, this is x. Finally you have to check f of x, it's coming y. Okay, for that you have to substitute this x in f of x. 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1 equal to, here in the place of x you should write 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1 minus 2 whole divided by, in the place of x again you should write 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1, here also minus 3. Okay, taking LCM, 3y minus 2 here minus 2 into y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. Okay, whole divided by 3y minus 2 minus 3y minus 1. Okay, divided by y minus 1. Here I am cancelling the same term. Okay, next 3y minus 2, here minus into plus minus, 2 ones are 2, 2y, next minus into minus plus, plus 1 divided by, here 3y minus 2, here minus into plus minus 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, 3y minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. Therefore here you should cancel the same terms. Here plus 2 minus 2 cancel, here plus 3y minus 3y cancel. Therefore from 3y subtract the 2y, remainder y. Okay, next here plus 3 minus 2 you have to subtract, 3 minus 2 remainder 1. Therefore f of x equal to y. Therefore here also it is satisfying, therefore it is an onto function. Okay, it is satisfying both 1 1 and onto. Finally you should write it is bijective. Okay, bijective function. But in my question, why here a is real number but except 3? Because see here, if I substitute the place of 3 here, x equal to 3, 3 minus 3 equal to 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Infinity is undefined. Okay, you should not take like this. Okay, in b equal to real number but except 1. See here, if I substitute the 1 in the place of x here, it is 3 minus 2, here 1 minus 1. Therefore 1 by 0. Here also it is infinity. Infinity means it is undefined. So that only in our question, okay, they have mentioned that a equal to real number except 3 you have to take. Likewise b equal to real number except 1. You can take any other real numbers. Okay, from minus infinity to plus infinity. I hope it is clear. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.